Manual. Alright, so this is where we left off. The only thing I'm missing here on the engine bay is the brake booster and the fuse box. So the plan today is to go ahead and remove everything from the inside of the car. Now I went ahead already, got under the car and removed everything from underneath, including the fuel tank and all these heat shields over here, and the cover for all the fuel lines and the brake lines and all that. And I also went ahead and removed the charcoal canister for the evap system. So all that is out. So let me see if I can get under the car here to show you. No, too dark. Alright, you can see it better now with the light. So that's what the fuel tank used to be. That's the tunnel right there. So everything is out. The only thing you see here is the e-brake lines, which I don't care about those. Those are going to stay there. Alright, so I'm going to start with the easiest thing, which is to remove the seats. The back seat, I already took off the bottom cushion, so all I gotta do is remove the back and the harness bar, the seats, and then let's go ahead and remove the headliner, some of the plastic trims, and eventually the carpet. Okay, so now the back seat. There's one more down here. I gotta get to it with a wrench. Alright, I wasn't sure how to remove this section right here, so I kind of did it off camera. So it turns out it has 2 screws inside here, and then everything you just pull it back and it will come off the dash. Alright, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, I got a lot done this time. So next video we're gonna remove whatever is left in here, including the carpet and the headliner.